Alright, this is going to be a quick little receiving primer. Just kind of let you know where we're at on receiving. It's just one phase of Mini. So I'm going to go into receiving on number 2. And then I'm going to do, I want a new receiver. And here you can put your vendor ID in if you know what it is. You can search for vendors by a scrollable list, but you guys have like 334 vendors. So I added another thing per Jason's request, and I don't want to have any shifting going on. So I'm just going to hit, let me let you see what button I'm hitting. Zoom out a little bit, other way. I'm just going to hit this button right here, little plus button. So we hit plus. And now you can scan one of the items that you're going to receive for. If I can get this thing to scan. Come on, scan, buddy. The angle's kind of hard. So it did a lookup for me, and the only vendor that I have assigned to that product is AWG, and they're 10050. So if I want to open a receiver with that vendor, I just hit 1 and enter, and then I got to put my invoice number in. I guess it kind of seems like a lot of steps, but it's either, I think the vendor lookup makes it kind of easy, but I'm just throwing things out there. And now I can scan my item. Oh, it's gonna be painful again. There we go. And the receiving screen is color coded, and if you notice, like right here, you can tell where that's where the cursor is. So I'll probably do the same thing up there. And then these hotkeys, I'm gonna change these to where you actually push, say, zoom in so you can see it a little better. So that button is F. So you could use that for F for free, or R for return, and not have to shift it, but just push the actual button. That's one idea I'm working on. Because I don't want to use numbers, because if you put a number in right here, you're in the case quantity. That's how many cases you want. So it's got to be a character other than a numeric value that they key in to trigger free, returned, main, totals. We're gonna have it sent to the head office, or delete that item. So that's what I got so far. But I like Jason's idea of being able to look up by scanning an item and then letting it tell you what the available vendors are based on that item. And that's all I got right now.